This is Scott the Fix Guy. Today we have a Miele dishwasher that is continually draining. The drains constantly on. So I'm looking at the area where the water comes in. I'm wondering if maybe the fill valve is stuck slightly open and water's creeping in. So I'm watching that part. But I think probably what's happening is that this drain hose comes right off the garbage disposer, and when water fills the sink, I think it's flooding the dishwasher. So we're going to bend the drain hose in a wide, high arc so the water cannot flow from the sink to the garbage disposal and flood the dishwasher. So that's important. You don't want to have this configuration. You want to make sure it's bent up. So I've attached a zip tie to one of the plumbing fixtures to be able to hold the drain hose up higher. And now when the sink fills with water, water can't flow backwards into the dishwasher, and that'll get rid of the flooding. So hope this helps, and please subscribe when you get a chance.